How to fix Roblox continue installation without flag settings. First, you will need to open up your computer search and search for network connections. You want to find this, view network connections. Click on that option, and here you want to find the very first network which pops up. Right click on it and then select properties. From here, we want to find Internet Protocol version 4, and we're just gonna select properties again. Wanna use the following DNS server addresses, and for the preferred DNS server address we're gonna type 8888, and for the alternate DNS server we're gonna type 8844. This is gonna be the Google DNS server, so it's completely safe. Now you want to click on OK. Once you do that, then we will need to close out of all of this, and we're gonna open up our computer search for Roblox player, right click on it, open file location. Again, we're gonna select or right click and then open file location until we find Roblox player beta. Right click on it again, show more options, properties, and we want to go to compatibility, and we just want to enable these two options. So run this program as an admin, very important, and disable full screen optimizations. Afterwards, click on apply, click on OK. Now you can like the video, subscribe, restart your PC, and you should no longer have issues. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.